Looking for peak performance and show-stopping looks? US Radiator delivers the cooling you need, and Concept One provides the ultimate pulley system. Level up your ride. And hey, for more awesome builds and insights, hit that subscribe button for ScottieDTV. Tony, how are you, brother?
I'm pretty good. How about yourself, sir?
Oh, I'm outstanding. What a cool truck.
I appreciate it.
Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, it's a 65 C10, belongs to Mark Dillon, and it was his wife's grandfather's truck since new.
Oh, wow.
He drove it to the Charleston Navy Yard every day to work for up until the 80s. Then the truck sat until 2018 when Mark brought it to us. He ended up getting it from the family, and then we spent 5 years building the truck. Finished it in 2013, or not 2023. Unfortunately, it hadn't been driven because he had to have knee surgery, and it's a stick shift truck, so it's been sitting since then. But now he's back good, and after we do here in Triple Crown, he'll be taking back delivery and start putting miles on it.
What condition was it in when it showed up to you?
It was pretty rough.
Yeah. Had it been sitting in a barn or a field? Or?
It had been sitting under a carport for about 20 years. Probably about 3/4 of the cab is original metal, and then everything else has been replaced. Doors, fenders. It was originally a long bed, straight six truck. Short bed, put an aftermarket chassis. It's got a 525 horsepower LS3 Silver Sport TKO 600 5-speed transmission, aftermarket chassis, 14-inch wildwood brakes.
What about wheels?
They're Foose wheels. It's 28.5 in the front, 2012 in the rear, with a 245/40 on the front and a 335/30 on the rear.
Oh, beautiful stands.
Thank you.
That color's beautiful too. What is that?
That is House of Colors, apple red candy base coat over Orion silver base.
Oh, it turned out really nice. Everybody's walking by while I was shooting and kept complimenting how beautiful it was. And when they say that, that's what they are talking about, right?
Yes,
it's the color of it.
The color and the bodywork,
What's some of the fabrication work you did to it?
Well, starting in the front bumper's been flipped over, upside down. It's been narrowed, been reshaped a little bit. Bumper bolt shaved and tucked into the body. The grill's been highly modified. It's the original sheet metal grill, but we've cut it and tucked it in, raised the center bar, modified the headlight buckets, just to sleek it up and clean up the front of the truck.
So you took like a stock grill and cut that up
and made what it is.
Welded it all back together and sanded it down.
And body worked it. And
there had to be an easier way, bro.
There probably was. Easier isn't always the way it goes, though.
Live and learn, right?
That's right. That's right.
No, I would have never. I could tell that grill was custom, but I would have thought that it was CNC. That just seems like a hard way to do it. But man, kudos to y'all, because it turned out, and it's a beautiful job. It looks. I would have never guessed that. So the work's hidden well.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, going back through the middle of the truck, doors, cab, fenders, we just tighten up the gaps, tighten up the fitment. I think we shaved the fuel filler cap, because the tank's under the bed. And then back to the bed, it's now all one piece. The bed doesn't unbolt into separate pieces like it used to. It's got a structure underneath since the bed floor is raised. The rear wheel wells are raised about 2.5 inches to give better proportions along with the front wheel well. The customer didn't want half the wheel tucked into the wheel well because they're real short from the factory on those trucks. And then we built the tunnels into the bedside for the side exit exhaust. And then back to the rear of the truck, its rear bumper's flipped and narrowed and tucked, and then the license plate's actually mounted to a receiver hitch because he does plan to tow his jet skis to the lake with it. And then tailgate's been slicked and latches gotten rid of and chains and all that stuff. So body modifications, that's pretty much the extent.
That's still, front to back.
Yeah.
Tip to tail.
Yep.
I think y'all killed it. Anybody you need to give a shout out?
Yes, sir. We've using Holly exclusively for all our engine management and all our builds, and we pretty much exclusively use Wildwood on all our products as well. Foose wheels turned out amazing.
You custom painted those?
No, we matched the gray on the truck to what came on the wheels.
Okay, cool.
House of Colors, of course, for providing an incredible color for the truck.
Yeah.
Silver Sport transmission provided the 5-speed transmission kit. Vintage Air's got the AC. Got a bunch of low carb products on it. I did a column. The intake's an Edelbrock dual throttle body.
That's a fancy intake. You tell me that's just Edelbrock's intake.
It took us a while to get. It was on back order for about 6 months to get the intake. And then to run the dual drive-by-wire, we had to run a Holly Dominator system, which is their top-of-the-line computer just strictly for the dual drive-by-wires was what we had to do. So it was a big pain, and all the harness for all the coil packs, that was all handmade. One of my guys got tremendous amounts of time in just doing that harness because everything had to be pinned individually and then to make it look good, and it was a lot involved. JB's Interiors, who did the upholstery, based out of Lexington, South Carolina. You know, we run Optima batteries and everything we do, American Auto wire harnesses.
Well, man, I think you killed it. What do y'all got coming out next?
We are working on a 67 Galaxy full chassis, full custom chassis. It's got a John Causey 520-inch Boss 429 motor with a 5-speed.
Awesome.
Yes,
When
sir.
are we thinking that's coming out?
We are shooting for end of next year. We got a spot at the upholstery shop the third quarter of next year, so.
Cool. Well, please keep me in the loop.
I definitely will.
If people want to keep up with what you got going on, what's the best way to do that?
We're on Instagram and Facebook.
All right, and the name of the shop?
Nostalgia Garage.
Tony, thanks so much for your time,
I
brother.
appreciate it too, man.
So there you go, from the 2025 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. A very cool 1965 C10 pickup truck. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.